Hello. 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 No. Jesus. Alright, let's try this again. Huh? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Hello. How you doing? Hello. Hello. Hello? Hello? No. No, Ace. No. Hello? Yeah, that's a good birdie. Oh, wait, just one sec here. Alright. It's a good birdie. Here you go. Settle down. Oh, that was a good poop. That was a good poop, Ace. Alright, here you go. Take it. No. Here. Yeah, jeez. He doesn't want any food around the camera. Hello. That's a good birdie. Can you stop? Ace, stop. Good birdie. Good birdie. And he just used the washroom. So he's all good to go. Put him up here. See if the cats like him. He could be the lunch. The old Alexandrine Parrot. Hello. Hello. And let's put him on the floor. Stop. That's a good birdie. Step off. Good bird. Where's he going? Hello. Say you want some cheese? Here. Uh-oh, we're waking Brock up. This will not be good. I think Ace knows it. No. Ace, want a piece of cheese? Here you go. Hello. Ace. No, he doesn't want any cheese. Or maybe he does. Let's see. Hello. How you doing? How you doing? That's a good birdie. Yeah, he's not so shy around the camera now. Alright, and to take two.